If you're unsure how to archive your team, simply navigate to the page that shows all your teams. Choose the gear icon for Manage Teams at the upper right, then the three dots or the More Options icon for the individual team. That's in the column at the far right. You will get a message saying that archiving will freeze all team activity, but you can still add and remove members and update roles. There's an option here for making the SharePoint site associated with this archive read-only for members. Finally, press Archive to complete the process. Go to Manage Teams again when you want to restore the team. Thanks for watching.